Alright, I'm here with another layout, and I'm going to use this pink basil cardstock. These are pictures of my nieces. That's Natalie and Jada on the left, and then that's Natalie and my other sister's daughter. And then my youngest sister's daughter. And so that frame is Pink Fresh Studio Days of Splendor. And I'm going to use that floral piece, which is Crepe Paper's Marigold. I'm going to make it crinkly white for a second. I'm going to make it baby white. I apologize for the noise. But it's driving me nuts. I see dust inside my printer. But I don't think I can reach it. I'm going to take my ruler, I guess. Use that to wipe it.
No, they're still here.
Yeah, bummer.
They'll be gone another tomorrow, because tomorrow's Christmas Eve.
Yeah, maybe they'll still leave this afternoon.
That could be too true.
Yeah. Alright.
Either way, probably tomorrow Christmas Eve or probably this afternoon.
Yeah. I'm praying for soon. Alright, there. Now I feel better. Alright, so I'm just writing down what I'm using. I try to do that as I go. There's the charger to my tablet. I need to put the charger to my phone up here too. Oh boy, Coco. What am I going to do with you? Huh? Man, you're getting gray, girl. And so I'm just going to use these strips. Oh, okay? You spitting up? Sounds like it. A little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Just a little bit. I need to find some paint and paint these handles. And I'm missing my label on this one. Alright. So the gray and white stripe layer is the reverse side of the floral layer, and the pink photo mat is Pink Paley's Paige Evans 11 and many more. It's called And Many More. Excuse me. So I'm going to cut out this flower, and then I'm going to put on some watercolor. Or maybe I don't. Yes, I do. Oh, the poochie is scratching. Still, the sun hasn't moved. I want to take the chainsaw and cut these bushes down. I'm gonna do that. I want to get my voiceovers done first. These level 1 embellishments. I bought pins and put buttons and whatnots on pins, and I don't ever use them. Oh, now that's made it so I can't see. I rearranged my scrapbook room because my countertops I had at the old house, everything straight, it was just all straight walls. It was just a square room. And this one, there's a window, and it's kind of like a bay window, and so there's a lot of corners there. And so the way I had it set up, I had my cubes all the way around the room, and then the bigger straight wall I had cabinets with drawers, and they're the closet made ones. And I think I'd like to be able to replace them with more cubes. Get some more cubes and just stack them up that way, I guess. Or get white cubes like that with the cloth drawers like this one. And stack it in clothy drawers. But anyway. And so I said, and I was waiting for Alex to cut the counters so they could fit and Cocoa Hush. But unfortunately, he was taking too long. He wasn't doing it, so I got frustrated with my room the way it was. And so I decided to take matters into my own hands, and I rearranged it so I have cubes along the 2 straight walls, and then made it separate in front of my door with the cabinets and cubes against my wall. I was just thinking, I'm gonna cut it down. Yeah, that would have been crowded. Yeah. And I could have pushed this table closer to the window, but then that wouldn't have left me room. I don't know. And have those cubes in the middle. I've done that before. Have like an island, but I think that would make it a bit crowded and funny looking. I think. Yeah. Anyway. I'm not going to rearrange it anymore. So my chipboard stickers are Maggie Holmes Marigold, and the die cut frame, oh, I already said that. And of course I cut more of the flowers out from the Maggie Holmes Marigold paper. And so since I'm done with these, I'm going to get them producing, and then I'm going to go outside. What? You need outside? You need Mateo to take you? Huh? Because you're going to have to wait a minute. Alright, so I'm using these are sparkly. They have glitter in them. Oh, my Lanta. Hey, Mateo, see if Coco will go outside for you. Thank you. So she wants FETCH. That dog is smart. She was in there whining. I thought she wanted outside, but he came in here to tell me that she's looking at the BALL. So she's wanting to play fetch. Is she going out? Hey, Theo, you coming inside? The girls outside? Oh, she's going out. Mateo loves Sabrina, but she's not a cuddler unless you're in bed asleep, and she'll cuddle with my lights at night. And she loves attention. She doesn't mind to be petted, but don't try to hold her. Anyway. So I'm going to use this swan. It's a perfect opportunity to use something like that. As well as these little phrases. I shouldn't even say it's not even really a phrase, it's just a word. And then this one, I'm going to use the chipboard stickers, So Sweet, and that is going to be my title. So I only embellish in those two places. And I felt like I used a swan, so I needed to use another animal of sorts. And so I put the owl there. And now I'm going to do my title, which is So Sweet. So I pretty much used a lot of the chipboard. He hears the packaging and he likes the packaging. And I wanted to use another one, like 3, power of 3, but it just wasn't going to work to put them there. It just didn't look right. So I thought, well, it's okay, because I actually only have 2 embellishment areas and then my title, so we're okay. And so I'm going to do my sequins. And I use my sticky tool from Silhouette to put down the sequins. And once I get that done, then that is all I do to this layout.
I'm never gonna let her out.
Why?
All she's doing is sniffing around.
Because she has to find the perfect spot.
No.
That's
She already peed and then she went sniffing the room like a while ago. And then she came in and then sniffed all around there in the porch.
She didn't go potty?
She only went pee.
Oh. Goofball.
And then after she went pee, she just sniffed, and then stood there.
I know, but maybe that wild animal was up here, and that's what she smells.
Out, and then she just stood there, and then came inside, and she sniffed, and then finally came in.
I know, she's a pain. Typical kid. And so, I'll let you finish watching the process of the sequins. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.